Bet you was wondering if I was going to make a video today. Well, wasn't planning on it, so I just thought I'd give you a heads up. No video today. Did my light check. Went around, did my light check. Don't have one working here. Oh, now it works. The wiring isn't the best on this truck. I really need to... I can see that mess down there. I got to get around to that one of these days. And I just fixed one back here. This one here I just fixed. And then the ones on the back of the truck, not the trailer, these ones here have been behaving pretty good. But the ones on the back of the truck that you see up there, been having some issues with them. Probably should get around to rewiring them one of these days. But yeah, these here, they don't behave, and those ones there go out once in a while. Found that bag on the side of the freeway. What it is, I pulled over to see what it was, and what it is somebody's emergency kit. It has flares, stuff for your cuts and tires, coldness, keep you warm blankets, all kinds of emergency things in there. So yeah, I saw that on the side of the road. Saw that on the side of the road. I was like, what the heck is that? Maybe it's a bag of $1 billion. So I was like, well, if it's $1 billion, I want it. So I pulled over and it wasn't $1 billion, so it wasn't even $1, but it was somebody's emergency pack. I guess they had an emergency on the side of the road and left their emergency pack, so I threw it on the back of the truck because you don't know what you're picking up on the side of the road. You don't want to put it inside your house, and this basically is my house, so didn't want to do that. So anywho, I just wanted to say, hey, you know, not much going on here. I'm just killing my time, just killing time, getting over to Louisville. I got 300 miles from here. I'm in Bowling Green, Missouri. And yes, I am at a truck stop. Woe is me. You never catch me in a truck stop, but you are tonight. It's a pull through, and it's a pretty slow truck stop. So hopefully I won't have any issues. If not, I'll get in the truck and go over there and park on the ramp if I can't sleep. I more than likely won't be able to sleep. But this guy here that's parked over on that side of me, he's in for the weekend and his truck ain't going nowhere. And then this guy that's on this side of me, which is on that fogged up window that you can't see, I have no idea what he's doing, but so that's just the thing about being a truck stop. You don't know who's doing what. So, but anyway, it's pretty clean. There's no feces laying around. It doesn't smell like a cesspool. So, like I said, it's a pretty slow truck stop. So, but as usual, right at sundown, they'll start pouring in and get all the spots filled up. But so anyway, so yeah, I'm in a truck stop. It's a rare occasion you can catch me in one, but here I am. Yeah, I ain't got much to report on. I wish I had somebody's questions. If I had questions, you could ask questions. But yeah, Ruthie B, I don't know what she watched the video and she said, so are you going to come home on Monday? I said, you didn't watch the video. Yeah, when I get unloaded on Monday, I'll be heading to the house because I have work I need to get done on this truck. I wanted that oil leak fixed. I thought I fixed it, but I haven't fixed it, and I want it done. I want fresh oil in this thing and get it greased up. And then I'm gonna, I didn't like that deal that I seen out there out west. It wouldn't look very cool to me on the rates. And I'm not the only one that's saying it. So maybe we'll just hang out back east and run the rates that are out there. I know they're decent back there, so I'm not used to running shorter stuff, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. I didn't lose all that weight for nothing. I lost that weight because I knew I was going to have lots of work to do. So perhaps I'm ready to do lots of work. We'll see. The reason why I say that is because, you know, when you run shorter runs, you're going to be loading and unloading a lot more. And I'm not running a van, and I'm not backing up to a door, and so it's not other people that are loading and unloading my truck. Of course, I don't run the forklift, but I have to run straps and chains and tarps. And I know that don't sound like much, but it's work regardless if it don't sound like much. In the summertime, it's not really too bad. You get hot and sweaty and so on, but it is work. So I don't know what I'll weigh. I weighed 172 when I left the house, and I've continued on the diet, the keto diet, and so who knows, I might weigh 100 pounds now. What? Yeah, I guess you'd be looking at a skeleton if that was true. Wait. Anyway, today is, I guess today's Friday, isn't it? Yeah, today's Friday. Y'all have a nice Friday evening and enjoy yourselves. Have a whole lots of fun. God bless, and later.